In the previous video, we had studied up to this much. When they both were riding, after taking a ride for a while, cousin Murad said that, get down. This meant to say, to Aram, he had asked to get down from the horse because he wanted to ride alone. Then Aram asked, will you let me ride alone? Then Murad said, this is up to the horse. My cousin said, get down now. Then Aram said that the horse will let me ride. I said, meant to say here, I had told you earlier that both were having a great fond of horse riding. This was their common habit. Okay, so when Aram said that, horse will let me ride. Okay, then Murad said, we shall see. He said, don't forget that I have a way with the horse. Students, as I asked you to copy down this with you because Murad used to speak this dialogue many times. Well, I said, anyway, you have a way with the horse, I have also. Aram said that I have also way with the horse. For the sake of your society, he said, let's up hope so. Get down now. All right. Aram said that, okay, I'm getting down off the horse, but remember, you have got to let me try to ride alone. When you will finish your ride, I will also ride again. Okay, here he said, I got down. Aram is the narrator, you know very well, so wherever I word is used, it is for the Aram. Aram got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, Wazire, run. See children, he had called his horse from the name of Wazire, run. The horse stood on his hind legs. See children, in this image you can see this picture. These are the hind legs, I mean on which a horse can run, okay, or stand in this position. Fine. So these are the hind legs. Okay, so he stood on his hind legs, snorted, burst into fury of speed, and that was a loveliest vision to see. Okay, then next it is written, my cousin Murad raced the horse a field of dry grass of an irrigation ditch, crossed the ditch on the horse, and in 5 minutes he returned. Okay, dripping wet, I mean to say sweating was there on the face of Murad. The sun was coming up. Aram said, now it is my turn to ride. I said, means Murad said at that time, it was ride alone. Okay, now he said, who's he over here? Murad. Murad said, okay, ride. I leaped. Leaped means jumped. Aram jumped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move at all from the place. Fine. Then Murad said, kick into his muscles. My cousin Murad guided me. What are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. So here Murad said that before everybody will get up, we'll have to go from here and hide this horse. Okay. Then I kicked. I who? Aram. Aram kicked into the muscle of the horse. Once again it reared and snorted. Then it began to run. Okay, I did not know what to do. Instead of running across the fields of the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road in the vineyard of Dikran Holabian, where it began to leap over the vines. Few plants were there, vines were grown in that field. So horse, suppose these are the vines. Okay, horse is coming from here. Horse has jumped from the vines. Okay, like this. The horse leaped over the 7 vines before I fell. Here Aram fell down off the horse and it continued to run. Means horse ran after making him fall to the ground. My cousin Murad came running down the road. Cousin Murad was looking all these things. Okay. Cousin Murad came running down the road. He said, I am not worried about you. He shouted at me. Means Murad shouted at Aram. He said, we have got to get that horse back. You go this way and I go this way to catch the horse. I'll be near. Fine. So he said in this way, if you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. Meant to say, if you will be able to come near the horse, then I will also come to catch him. I continued down. So here Aram and Murad started chasing the horse for catching that horse. Okay. So Murad is saying, they both went across the field towards the irrigation ditch. It took total half an hour to catch the horse. Okay, like that you can understand. All right, he said, jump on, the whole world is awake now. I mean to say, it was morning. Remember, they started their ride at the dawn time at 4 a.m. Okay, when everybody was sleeping, but this time this is the time when everybody was getting up. That's why it is important for them to hide the horse back. Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him. Okay, hide who? Hide the horse until tomorrow morning. He did not sound worried, and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. Not for a while, at any rate. Where will we hide him? Aram asked. Where will we hide him? Murad said, I know a place. He said, how long did you steal this horse? See, children, here one question was ringing in the mind of the Aram, so he had asked over here, how long did you steal this horse? I said, it suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these